my Form 1 Plus 3D printer at work. Thought I'd show people a close-up of what it does and how it prints. You see a lot of videos online, but nothing this close. This is really cool. Turn the light on so you can see a little bit more. This is tough resin. Yeah, it's decent stuff. I like it. I've heard a lot of people having a lot of problems with printers when they order them. Not just the Form 1, but just about every 3D printer out there. Someone's got a problem with it. This one, no problem at all. This is a very simple build plate level, and that was it. Very reliable. Everything relies on the tank's relative position to the build plate. As long as it's level and within sync, this thing will not fail to print. But if you are out of whack, even a tenth of a millimeter, it will not work. You have stuff falling off the build plate. But it is not a hardware or software issue, it's merely an installation and setup issue. You just kind of have to watch what it does when you run the first prints. And then if it doesn't stick on the right side, you gotta raise the build plate. Or raise the tank. And there's an area in the help section to do that. Just go in and change your tank level. Solves every issue the printer has. If any. I'm not saying they come with issues. I'm just saying if they do, it's normally something as simple as tank leveling. There's not a lot else that can go wrong. It's a very simple, ingenious design. I mean, that's literally all that can stop it from printing is just the tank not being in position. And you, of course, and the obvious stuff like a dirty mirror or something on the bottom of your tank, because it's transparent and there's a layer of silicone on the bottom of the tank. You gotta be careful not to gouge that when you're scraping off any excess stuff. Which, if it's running properly and there's no mishaps, there will be virtually no residue or anything that you need to scrape off the actual tank. As long as that silicone's clean, the mirror's clean, no obstructions between the laser and the bottom of the tank and the tank's level, it literally has to work no matter what, and it will too. Just so if you get one, or if you've had issues with one, just experiment with leveling your tank, either negative or positive, and it's usually will solve your issue 100% of the time. That's the Form 1 Plus. Hope you guys liked the video. A decent printer. And we're out.